Hello! Maintenance is a critical factor for the success of a company. Up to 40% of the production costs are maintenance costs. If a machine breaks down unplanned, this will lead to additional high costs. Do you want to reduce your maintenance cost and you are responsible for the maintenance, or you are responsible for a production plant? There's a lot of potential to optimize maintenance with modern and intelligent digital tools. In our webinar, Functions and Potentials of Artificial Intelligence in the Maintenance Process of Blowers and Compressors, we would like to introduce you to the topic of data analytics with machine learning and artificial intelligence. Furthermore, we show you the use of machine learning and artificial intelligence in our new product AERprogress. In this webinar, you get many interesting informations about the benefit of modern machine learning and artificial intelligence to optimize your maintenance process, to reduce unplanned machine downtimes, and to reduce your operation costs. The 54 minutes webinar starts on the 14th of January at 10 o'clock German time. I'm looking forward for your participation. See you in the webinar.
Expect performance.